Hey there! Welcome to this Metricom Explainer. Let's dive right into something truly transformative today. We're exploring the incredible real-world social benefits that shared gardens bring to local neighbors. It's so fascinating. Stuck indoors all day? You've got to wonder, can a tiny patch of dirt actually cure social isolation? Absolutely. Getting moving, eating fresh food, and dropping those stress levels are the first steps to real growth. But here's the core issue. Social isolation is a massive public health risk in our dense, crowded cities. These gardens counter that perfectly. They create a totally safe, informal space for neighbors to connect and share. To actually reap these amazing health benefits, we've got to tend the garden properly, with good, structured management. That means checking soil for safety, using water responsibly, and completely ditching those harsh chemicals. We also need to make these spaces accessible for everyone. Think clear, flat paths and raised planter beds. The real magic happens when we shift from just growing crops to cultivating a vibrant living classroom. Gardens flop when responsibility is murky, but they absolutely thrive when the community steps up and takes ownership. Neighbors can manage this together through committees, weekly roles, and even sharing their own cultural food traditions. So it's not just about plants. Sharing tasks actually cultivates deep, lasting trust right in your neighborhood. We've got to track our success too. Measuring things like volunteer hours helps scale programs and secure vital funding. The main takeaway? Sustainability isn't just some boring policy document. It's the daily practice of sharing and caring. So, how will you grow deeper connections and healthier places in your own neighborhood? Time to get planting.